learning basic words. So soccer specific would be pass or move, space, pressure, the ball. So right now we are working on technical ability. So simple control, pass, looking. And on the tactical side, it would be understanding when we have the ball in possession, we have to open up the space, maximum width, depth, and when we don't have the ball, then we close the space and get compact. So I'm pretty basic right now, and as the time progresses, then we will get into more complex tactical understanding of positioning and where to be depending on where the ball is and where the other team is. Because my Spanish is little, so I have an assistant who translates if I need assistance in very intense and large concepts.